Alright guys, I'm outside, and when you're outside, you can look through this little basement cellar, and we're going to look at what my cat is doing when no one's around. He has no idea I'm even recording him. He's just going like crazy. This is pretty crazy what this cat's doing. What is he doing? That's how the blanket gets all messed up.
It's not like you like you don't get paid if you don't go to work. Pretty much.
So I'm outside. Where'd Ravi go? This cat's name is Ravi. Whoa!
You're gonna have to rehearse it a few times inside.
No, it works every time.
How did he just...
Okay, right here. Lay down.
Sorry about the background.
Okay, cross like this. Ready?
I can't believe what this cat does when no one... Look at that spider.
What are they doing?
Find your inner laugh. Sage, can you do it to me?
He keeps rolling the thing around. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this video, not like at 3 minutes. I can't believe this. Oh, sorry about that. Just out of nowhere, I kind of had a bit of a scream. I just felt like I had to get that out. How did he just get in the tube if he was just on the side? Well, anyway, now he's rolling on his belly. I think he saw me. No, maybe he didn't. What is he doing? He's playing with a toy mouse. This cat is bugging out without us. He doesn't even really go this crazy when we're around. That mouse looks like it's like flying across the floor. Ah, mosquitoes.
Is that a big
I hate
mouse
mosquitoes.
he's playing with?
Yeah.
How is it flying across the room?
Training him to be a hunter.
Oh my gosh, he's...
I think he saw us.
I wish he was that cute when we were in there.
Well, we're in there. He's just like meowing around and like using the litter
He got
box.
big since like 2 days ago.
Yeah, he's still a kitten. He's only like less than 2 months old. Well, anyway, I'm gonna end the video exactly 3 minutes here. This is what cats do. This is what cats do when nobody is around. Apparently, this is pretty crazy. Goodbye.